Is going abroad still a viable option right now, 2025?
With the economic situation that we are in now, it has to continue because we cannot survive without the remittances. But if we can develop our skills and promote our own industries and do something in our country, as long as we can provide for our children, I think people are not looking to become very rich, but
A
ano,
comfortable life.
comfortable life for our people. Ang problema pa kasi yung mga graduates natin ay pinakamataas ang unemployed. Mismatch is another issue sa ating bansa. Maraming graduates and yet they are not the people who are needed by industries. And if they are having that kind of training, kulang naman ang ilang kaalaman because below the standards ang ating performance sa ating mga graduates. Yan ang reklamo ng mga employers natin. Kulang sa skills, soft skills, creativity, numeracy, literacy, innovativeness. So parang sanay tayo memorize lang. Ulang tayo sa critical thinking. Ngayon, lalong we are so dependent in terms of yung suporta ng gobyerno. Sa Sikihor ngayon, wala nang pwede kang mautosan magbayaran na maglaw sa field kasi naghihintay na lang ng ayuda. So it's affecting our agriculture, it's affecting our productivity, and it's affecting the mindset of people. Then, how can we also demand people from government, our leaders, ng pag-eleksyon, napakamahal ang butante sa aming isla. Baguhin talaga natin ang sistema.